good hit. Well, if are they open now? Whoa! You almost took Mimi out.
Watch this.
Okay, I will.
That was a good hit, Mom.
It was great.
I hit it.
Yep. Who's your favorite baseball player?
Cody Ross.
Who do you think is better at hitting, you or Cody Ross?
Me.
Yeah, I think so too.
Cody Ross and William.
He misses sometimes?
Does he?
Yeah, he misses sometimes.
Whoa, I hit it so high. And I hit it so high.
You sure did. Higher than the cars. Whoa!
That was so higher than that one. That was big. That was so high than that.
Oh,